Coming at you is another great transformation video. This one's special because I was able to team up with my wife during our latest master bath renovation. We were able to put our minds together and come up with something creative for the accent wall behind our tub. This is going to be a video breakdown about the process from start to finish. Let's begin. Yeah, first off, this was a fun project for us to basically plan out and complete. It took a while to kind of get an idea about what we wanted to do behind our bathtub in our master bath renovation. We were able to prime the walls and make sure that we had a complete blank canvas when we were starting with our idea. I wish I could paint like this in real life. I'd be done with homes in no time. All right, now we're gonna be going ahead and putting up the trim baseboard. That's gonna be the foundation for the whole piece. We use construction adhesive on all boards so that way that it would stick to the wall without any movement in the future. Let's start in the middle and work our way out. That way everything is gonna be symmetrical and even once we start measurements. When creating these pieces, it was like putting together a puzzle, kind of like figuring out a Tetris game of what size, shape, and location we were going to be putting the next board. Who doesn't like watching females with power tools? Come on now. Rachel's not messing around. Hair is getting adjusted. It's go time. We're just discussing, trying to figure out where it's gonna go, how wide it's gonna be apart from the next board, and how it's gonna be cut. If it's gonna be a straight board or if it's gonna be an angle cut. This is the universal pose for every man figuring out what they got themselves into.
Is the one on the back?
It's pretty cool. There was a lot of discussion about back and forth of placement of the boards and how they were gonna go. So it took a little while to get started, but once we were able to get started, things seem to be a lot smoother. Again, we're building this idea from scratch, trying to figure it out, and I think we're doing a pretty good job.
Is this one much longer than the one on the left, or does it need to be longer?
Be a little bit longer.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
so I think we need to do a curved one here.
All right. Watching hyperlapse videos like this is just so satisfying. I really enjoy just the process of a project from start to finish. I find myself going down the rabbit hole on YouTube, just following along and watching other projects that have been done.
Yes, that's fit. That's what I call perfect.
Talk me.
Cough this. All right, I got it. You go back there and tell me if you think this, I'll show you what I'm looking at. This void and this void look normal compared to the rest of our pattern.
Yeah.
Yes, you think it's okay? All right, then I'm overthinking it.
You're overthinking it.
I'll blow them.
Giddy up. I'll do the bottom one first.
It's my sickness of being symmetrical. I can't do fun stuff like this.
Well, you're doing it, honey.
I'm doing it.
You're in it.
I'm doing it with you. Just me and you doing it.
That's the biggest advice that I could probably give you is don't overthink the project. Get ideas, put it down on paper, figure it out, kind of have an idea about where your end result will go, and just run with it. And before you know it, you're creating something amazing.
Okay, I saw this map out. I would say it was graceful.
Is everyone's other half this graceful? Go ahead and comment below.
What are you doing?
Right here.
It's gonna go under it.
But what I'm trying to say is just do a tight gap over here.
Yeah, because we did such a big gap on the other side. You said tight gap.
Tight gap.
I say-
You don't have to do step-by-step instructions. What might look good to me, not look good to you, or you might want to change it up a bit. And there is nothing wrong with that. That's the greatest thing about doing your own construction. You can do whatever you want, how you want it, and no one's going to tell you otherwise.
Good work.
You like it?
Yeah. It's really pretty. Yay.
Now all I'm doing here is just caulking the lines, the edges, and filling in the holes with wood putty. All right, here's Rachel. She's going ahead and priming all the boards before we're gonna be painting it black. Now we could have kept it this color, it would have been fun, but we decided that we wanted an entire sleek, black, modern accent wall. So all boards and wall will be painted a couple more times to make sure that it is all seamless. And here's the end result. Thanks again for following along. This was my first breakdown video talking through from start to finish. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and hit that like button. Also subscribe so you never miss out on the latest content I will be putting out there. And as always, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you in the next one.